In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a proxy in AdsPower. If you're looking to enhance the security and privacy of your online activities or manage multiple accounts without facing issues, using a proxy is a brilliant strategy. Now, let's break down the process step by step to ensure you have everything you need to get started smoothly. First, you need to open the AdsPower application. Navigate to your desktop and launch the AdsPower app. You'll be greeted with a login screen. Enter your account credentials to access the platform. Once you're logged in, you'll find a variety of options at your disposal. But for our task today, we'll focus on setting up a proxy. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll see an option named Profiles, which might also be labeled as Browser Profiles. Click on that to reach the Profiles section. Here, you can either create a new profile by selecting the plus New Profile button, or choose to edit an existing one. This is where you'll set the stage for your proxy settings. Once you're in the Profile Setup window, it's crucial to find the Proxy section. Initially, you'll notice it states No Proxy, indicating that your connection is currently set to a local network. We need to change this setting by selecting the Custom option. This allows you to personalize the proxy settings to suit your requirements. Now, let's move on to entering your proxy details. Imagine your proxy provider has given you the following credentials. The type is HTTP, the IP or host is 203.0.1113.45, and we're using port 8000. The username and password provided are demo user and demo pass 123 respectively. You will input these details into AdsPower meticulously. For proxy type, select HTTP. Then enter the host IP as 203.0.main.405, set the port to 8000, input the username as demo user, and finalize by adding the password as demo pass 123. Ensuring these details are accurate is essential for a successful setup. Once you've entered these details, you need to test if your proxy works correctly. Click on the Check Proxy, sometimes labeled Check the Network. AdsPower will give you a prompt indicating whether the result is a success. If you see that message, congratulations, your proxy settings are working as intended. If it fails, don't worry, it's usually a simple fix. Go back and double-check the information. Pay close attention to the IP, port, and login credentials to ensure nothing was mistyped. Finally, once everything is in order, click OK or Confirm to save your profile settings. Now, to utilize your newly configured proxy, navigate back to your Profiles list and hit Open on the newly saved profile. This action launches a new browser window that operates using your proxy, offering you enhanced privacy and control online. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a proxy in AdsPower, opening a world of possibilities for managing your online activities. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.